Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to get free energy. Free energy. What do you understand by free energy? Free energy is an energy which is generated without consuming any fossil fuel or any kind of fuel. So how exactly we are going to make free energy? We are going to generate free energy with the help of magnets. Yes, you all have learned about magnets. So we are going to use a very cool device called as spinner and also some magnets. So let us start. Take a spinner and take a bar magnet with north pole and south pole. If you can see, the spinner starts repelling or starts attracting depending upon the pole. If I am going to take another magnet and I am going to keep beside the spinner, then again it starts spinning due to force of attraction or force of repulsion. We all know north pole repel each other and north and south pole attract each other. So we are going to use the same principle of attraction and repulsion for the working of our fidget spinner. Now here, if you can see, I have taken very small pieces of powerful magnets. Now what am I going to do is, I am going to place these small pieces over the top of the fidget. Place it wisely so that the angle will help us for the repulsion and attraction with the external magnet. So how am I placing? I am placing it in this manner, that is in the horizontal manner, or if it spins you can see it in the vertical manner. So it is exactly at the center. So let me place on all the edges of the spinner. If I am going to see south, it repels the south pole. So we are going to take two south poles and one north pole. So the magnet should be placed in a manner where on the two edges we have two north pole and on the one edge we are going to place south pole. So you can see the placement. So here it is ready. Now we have to place the magnet in a very critical manner that it will help us for the spinning of the fidget. Now here you can see there is repulsion and attraction. Again for south pole, we are going to see the fidget is actually rotating about its axis. But it is not rotating continuously or not spinning continuously. So we have to adjust the position of our external magnets. As you can see, by changing the position, this fidget is gaining some momentum and it has started rotating about its axis. But this is not all. We have to again adjust a bit. So take some different angles and start adjusting the bar magnet. Ultimately, you are going to achieve that angle as shown in the video, and you can see the fidget starts rotating about its own axis and it actually works. So here we are getting free energy without consuming any fossil fuel or any other type of fuel. Isn't it cool? So do try this thing at home and make a free energy, or I can say the freely moving turbine. If you are smart enough, you can also connect some electrical connections to it and try to generate electricity with the help of spinning of the fidget. So actually it will work like an electric generator. So do try it.